Hey y'all, I thought I'd give you my thoughts on sub for sub channels. What I'm noticing, and yes, I've done it. Now, I did hear from Raspberry Rocks, good channel. I enjoy watching his channel. He made a comment, a few months back. It's best. Thank you. It's best to grow your channel organically. Well, I can vouch for that because there's a number of channels that started out the same time that I'm doing, that I started mine, and they're doing quite well. A lot better than my channel is. But I want to talk to you a little bit about this sub for sub thing. It is a good tool in a sense. There's positives that comes out of it, and there's negatives that comes out of it. And y'all need to think about how it affects you. If you're looking for just a matter of you need subs, you're getting the views, but you need the subs to get there to get that monetization status. I get it. I understand. You need another 20, 30, 40, 50 subs, and you don't want to wait. You want to get that monetization status. You know, I understand. And some of the channels that are on out there, Lunatic Dad, I really enjoy him. He puts out good content, Green Bay Wacky, and there's a few others. And they all mean well. You know, I'm not putting their channels down. Matter of fact, I encourage, they put out some good content too. They do a lot of live streaming that does the sub for sub thing. Well, the support for support, or the bus for bus, or however you want to word it. But here's some realities about YouTube and their analytics, how they work. You get the subs on the sub for sub thing, and they all say, we'll support you, we'll support you. And you subscribe to them, they subscribe to you. And it's obvious that their content is not in your interest. And you're probably, when they put out a video, you're probably not going to watch it. You're just a subscriber to them, but you're not going to watch their videos. I know, I've been there. I'm that same way. Well, you think, okay, well, that's not too bad, you know, but, you know, you don't have to watch them just because you're subscribed to them. But here's how it does hurt you, though. Yeah, picking up the subscriber, that works great. Helps you get over that hill. But this is how it hurts you. A lot of those, they mean well, but they're not interested in your content either, which is fine. We all have our own interests, what we'd like to watch. But they want to show you that they support your channel. So you release a video, 30 seconds later, they click on your video, they leave a brief comment saying, I love your video, or I love your content, whatever, and then they click off your video. They don't watch it, and it's obvious. You can have visit other people's channels, and you can pretty much tell, you know, what they're into or not if you really want to chase it on down and want to put the legwork on into it. So how does that affect you? Well, that sub for sub person, they click on your video, they watch it for 5 or 10 seconds, they leave their comment, and then they leave. Well, we all know that analytics keeps tracks on how long somebody watches your video. And if you only watch that video for 30 seconds, 45 seconds, they don't count it for much. It hurts your channel, and it hurts your growth. And YouTube says, you know what, we got a whole bunch of people clicking on this video, but they're not watching it. Therefore, why should we promote it? If people ain't going to watch it, why should we promote that video? You know, sub for sub, it really does hurt your channel. I know people have good intentions and people have pipe dreams and everything else. But the reality is, if you want to make your channel grow, do it the hard way. That's going to be the best growth. It might take you a year or 2 years to get to that point where finally you've made it to where you're getting your monetization. It might take a lot longer. It don't matter. The facts are, if you grow your channel organically, you'll feel a whole lot better about yourself doing so. If you don't grow it organically and you try to take the shortcuts to get there, it's just going to come back to haunt you in reality. So folks, I'm going to strongly encourage y'all, don't do like me. I've done the sub for sub thing, and I do it off and on just to messing around with it because I really don't care if my channel grows. Matter of fact, I've intentionally tried to do a lot of things the wrong way. Just because I don't care, I just want to have fun with it. But if you're interested in growing your channel for real and making something out of your channel, follow Danny and Wanda from Deep South Homestead, their experience of what they've done, or Bobblehead Homestead, Idaho Hillbilly. You know, many of these, channel after channel I can name, follow their example. They put a lot of hard work into it to get there. And some of them is slower growing. You know, Idaho Hillbilly, he's been doing it for quite a while. He's over 10,000 subscribers, but he's done his channel organically, and he has something to be proud of. Danny and Wanda, they've been doing their channel a few years. I think about 2 or 3 years. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But they put out some great content, and they're over 30 plus thousand subscribers. They've done it organically. These people could have done the sub for sub thing, but it would have hurt them for where they're at today. So before you do the sub for sub thing, the bus for bus, or the support for support, or whatever, think about it. Is your channel trying to be a channel that's popular in the social media world, and that the popularity is just about your subscribers and nothing about your content? Think about it, folks. If you want to have a real channel, figure out what your content's going to be and work at that. And depending on your content, some content, it takes right out. I mean, hey, if you're really into drama and news and you want to change your channel that way, if you do the right motions and everything, yeah, you can really get there. If you're into just being a hillbilly and just living life, and you never know what tomorrow's going to bring, and nothing exciting happens, well, you'll slowly get there. It's a slow climb. But one thing I've learned about life is there ain't nothing easy, and anything that you can get easy ain't worth having. If it's cheap, it probably ain't worth buying. Think about it, folks. There is no easier and softer way. If you want something, it's all about hard work. So, folks, keep that in mind. If you're just like me and you just want to have fun with it and you really don't care, and you want to just play with it with the sub for sub channels and stuff like that, fine, go for it. It's actually quite entertaining. It's fun. But if you want to grow your channel, if you want to have a real channel and be somebody, forget about it. Forget about the sub for sub thing. Don't let it cross your brain. Just push it out of your head. Don't even go there. Anyway, folks, just remember, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye. Turn the camera off now, hon. Hey, Pumpkin, will you grab me another beer? And step it up. Faster. I'm almost empty here.